Hi everyone, welcome back to second video of the 27th module on best practices of school counselor, being grounded, accessible and approachable. The learning objective of this video is develop an understanding about the techniques of being grounded. Grounding is all about being with your body in the present moment. As a school counselor's role is complicated and stressful, it will be useful to have some grounding techniques in hand to balance oneself while feeling overwhelmed and then stressed. Grounding techniques are simple and it's easy to apply, but it is difficult to apply in the moment of tension without regular practice. So practicing grounding techniques regularly is important. Usually the grounding techniques involve our senses, sight, hearing, smell, touch and taste. Our senses are used to reconnect ourselves to a mind and then body in the present. Through our senses, we can identify a feeling in the present and then regulate them. These techniques can help a school counselor to identify own emotions and then regulate them before or during a counseling session or communicating with the stakeholders. Some of the grounding techniques are given below and then any few of them can be regularly practiced according to one's suitability. First is mindfulness. Many times we tend to get stuck with our past or future in thinking, making us less aware of the present and less able to regulate what happens currently. When we are in the present, we will be able to think more clearly about options in spite of experiencing negative emotions. Mindfulness technique is about being in the present with a non-judgmental attitude and then unconditional positive regards for self and then others while detaching from unhelpful thoughts. Focusing on our sensory stimuli received through 5 senses is a good way to ground oneself. The second, we consciously touch or smell or taste or see or hear, we get pulled into the present. 5 senses. Taste. Have a good meal, focus on how you eat and experience each bite. And be aware of the taste and then how you swallow. Have a slow sip of cold water. Feel the sensation of the cold water in your mouth and then notice the sensation as you swallow. Here, close your eyes. Listen to the sounds that you can hear in your surrounding. Touch. Pick any object in your hand and sense the texture of the object. See. Simply observe the people in the immediate environment as how they move around or interact with other people or observe anything else in the environment. Smell. Smell the flowers, spray fragrance in the air, use your favorite perfume or lotion or try them in a store, take a peaceful walk and then breathe in the fresh smell of the nature. Mindful breathing. Focus on your normal breathing as you inhale and exhale. Continue to focus and if you find yourself drifting into your thoughts, gently bring your attention back to your breathing. Connect with the chair. Sit yourself in a chair. Focus your attention to how your body connects with the chair, the way that it supports your weight on the places where your body makes contact with the chair. Body scan. This technique can be done in a comfortable position, either sitting or standing. Make sure that your feet is placed flatly on the ground. Start by closing your eyes. Take few slow breaths. Focus your attention on your body, starting from your head and move through every part of your body till your toe. In the end, feel the ground under your feet and then know that you are grounded here, in this place, in this time and then for this purpose. Very slowly open your eyes. While using mindful techniques, our thoughts tend to intrude and then the way to manage them is to become aware that we are drifting into the thoughts and gradually redirect our focus to our exercise. Important point to remember here is not to become angry or criticize yourself for drifting into your thoughts. Rather, Just observe your thought and gently move it out of your conscious awareness by refocusing on the present moment. Counting. You can count backward from 20. And another method is counting 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Look around the room and then name 5 things that you can see. Name 4 things you can hear. Name 3 things you can touch. Name 2 things that you can smell. And name 1 thing that you can taste. The above mentioned are some of the grounding techniques that can be useful in calming oneself while feeling stress or overwhelmed. There are also other self-soothing techniques that can be used at any place and time and are very helpful. It is important that each school counselor adopts any few of the grounding techniques and practice them regularly. As such, practices will help the school counselor to be calm, poised, and confident while executing his or her services. In this video, we have seen few techniques of grounding ourselves. In the next video, we will be discussing about being accessible and approachable. Thank you.